Hey, hi. Welcome to virtual machine creation in the Azure platform. For that, please go to the search box over here and type for the virtual machine. So once you come to this particular page, please click on the create virtual machine. Over here, please choose your subscription and please create the resources. I'm going to create as a sample VM 2023. So if it is new, if it is a new one, I mean, if it is already duplicated, you will be getting a cross mark. But as it is a unique one, it's showing the tick mark, green tick mark. Okay. Now please provide the virtual machine name. I'm going to provide the name as VM instance 2023. Okay. And please choose your region. I'm going to go with this East US only, and availability options zone, and the zone I'm going to go with the zones one, and the security type also I'm going with this trusted launch VM, and the image one I'm going to choose Windows Server 2019 data center. If not, we can go with 2022. It's based on our requirement, we can choose this thing. Okay. VM architecture I'm going with 64. And now size, this is very important. So what kind of CPU and what kind of RAM you want, so we need to select over here. So I'm going with this 4 GB only. So I need to create the username. So Azure 123, this is my username, and I'm going to create the password with the same one, and I'm putting the @ symbol. Okay. Now please scroll it down. I'm going to go with this port inbound RDP only. So click on the next disk. So scroll it down. If you want to change any of this thing as per your requirement, we can change it. As of now, I'm going with this one default. So click on the networking. So I'm going to go with the same thing. I don't want to change. Next, management. Here also I don't want to change any of them. Click on the monitoring. I'm going with this thing only, and advanced. Click next, tags. If you want to add any of the tags, we can add over here. Means it's an we can provide any of the name with some that what value. Example, why we are creating this thing, for that sample or testing or the project purpose or the development purpose, based on our requirement. We can provide any name and we can provide that particular value over here. Okay. So next, click on the review and create. So this thing, virtual machines now, based on our requirement, we can create. Okay. If you want to create for the server purpose, we can go for the server based on our requirement. Okay. So, and click on the creator. It will take some time as it is initializing the deployment. So for that, so if you're going for the submitting deployment in the progress, it will take some time. Let it be. Okay. Please don't click on this cancel button or anywhere. Okay. Over here we can see it. Okay. Deployment in progress. Okay. Let it be running. Okay. Don't click on any cancel or anywhere. Okay. We should get this successfully done or deployment is done. Okay. As it is loading over here, let it load. Okay. Please don't do anything. If want, we can do refresh. That's not going to affect anything. Okay. It will improve the performance of this thing. Okay. Basically, we can use these virtual machines all these things for the reason to avoid our personal system. So some applications we can't able to do it on our personal systems, right? So in this platform, in this cloud platform or VMware platform or AWS platform, we can create the virtual machine and we can deploy whatever the servers we want. Okay, example, PingFederate server. We can deploy that PingFederate server or Ping Axis server or Ping Directory server or any of the servers, and we can deploy or we can install it in this particular virtual machine and we can use it. I hope you guys are aware about it. So I don't want to tell more about this thing, the reason why we are creating all this thing. Okay, so its deployment is succeed. So let's click on refresh over here. Yeah, the deployment is completed. So please click on the go to the resource. Now please click on the connect. Okay, it is for the RDP is for the Windows, SSH for the Linux. Okay, I'm going with RDP file. Please download the RDPF file and please click on it. Click on connect. Your username and your password. Please click on OK. Please click on S. It's loading, guys. Let's wait for some time. Yeah, it's done. So now we have successfully created the virtual machine, okay, using the Azure. And in that, I have created the Windows 2019 server one. So if you guys want to create 2022 or any of the thing, we can create it also. Okay, but as of now, I created the 2019. Okay, and that's all for the today. I hope this section is useful to you. Okay, let's meet in the next section. Thank you so much. Bye bye.